Okay, now what we want to do is preheat our oven to 400 degrees to begin with. And then, unlike some methods of cooking this, some people like to cook this without the vegetables and really blast it with a lot of heat at the very beginning to brown it up and get a crust on it. This particular one, you put the vegetables in. It's going to be slow roasted, just like every other prime rib, but a little different. So just go ahead and grab your foil, and you want a real tight seal around this, because this is going to be dry roasted. As you notice, we didn't add any liquid at all to the pan. So you want a real tight seal in here. Okay, and when you're ready to roast it, we want to drop the temperature down about 50 degrees to 350. And then we want to put it into our oven. And we're going to leave this in here for about an hour and a half, and then we'll check it with our probe thermometer.